Welcome, Let It Go Diet 21-day planner. You don't know this, but it's Friday night. Friday night, I'm doing a day full of smoothies. 3 smoothies, this is smoothie number 2. I'll have one more a little bit later tonight, kind of maybe before I go to bed. Hold me over until tomorrow, because tomorrow starts 3 days of juicing. I'm down 7 or 8 pounds. I'm doing this for you to let you know you can change you. Transform your body, feel better. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, much appreciated. Let's get started. An appropriate title, Tireless Smoothie. I'm tired today. But that's okay, I'm sticking to my plan. I'm not emotional eating. Tireless Smoothie is a good title because there's chia seeds in this smoothie. Chia seeds give you energy. So, we're not throwing a lot of chia seeds in there, but we're going in with some. I had to go out and run errands today. I'm not going to name the 2 restaurants that I saw, but I could smell them from my car. They advertise us all the time. We know what they taste like. And I had a craving for it. But I was like, you know what? I'm bigger than this. You're bigger than this. I control my decisions. Don't tempt me. Don't advertise me. Don't make money off me with your nasty bad food. It does taste good when you're, not eating clean. But you know my point here. Stay strong. Stay committed. You're going to get through this. I'm on day 10. I'm looking forward to day 21. So what is the emotional tidbit? Learn your hunger sensations. Hunger is physical. Hunger is not a craving nor a temptation. Get in the habit of asking yourself, am I hungry or is this emotional eating? A lot of us eat emotionally, maybe 80% of the time. I don't know the statistic, but I'm just throwing that out there. I think you can look it up and let me know. Please let me know. Anyway, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I hope you're committing yourself to eating clean, eating raw, losing weight, transforming your body, getting rid of pain, feeling better, reviving your skin, the whole 9 yards. The Let It Go diet will do that. It's a balanced diet. Just follow it. You'll be okay. And always consult with your doctor before any diet change or plan. But the word diet sometimes, I don't know, I frown upon it because it's like I'm putting food in my body to make me feel good. Diet sometimes like, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't do this, you can't do that, you can't, and then people get discouraged. But no, don't eat emotionally. Put good food in your body. Let's get started. Tireless Smoothie calls for 1 banana, a quarter cup of blueberries, quarter cup of strawberries, quarter cup of shredded carrots, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a half tablespoon of carob powder. I have a carob paste, 1 scoop of plant-based protein. I'm using a hemp, you can use a plant-based. Almost the same. 1 cup of almond milk, and optional, a quarter to a half cup of water. So, well, let's get started. 1 banana, quarter cup of shredded carrot, and then a quarter cup of strawberries and blueberries. We're going with a tablespoon of chia seeds. Well, if you've never seen chia seeds, they're super, super fine, almost like sand. I don't know, maybe it is sand. 1 scoop of chia seeds. It's really not. Chia seeds are packed with healthy, fatty substances that are good for you, like omega-3. They're packed with micronutrients. Don't overdo it. Throw them into a smoothie. You don't want to throw in scoops and scoops because now you're just packing on the calories because it's, it's high in calories. Seeds and nuts can be high in calories. All right, we have to add half a tablespoon of carob powder. I have a carob paste. Again, it's a cocoa substitute. 1 scoop of, in my case, this is a small scoop. I normally use a bigger scoop, but I think I used it for the carob powder. So we have our scoop of hemp protein, and now it calls for 1 cup of almond milk. See how I'm shaking this? Oh, I have a story here in a second. Alright. And the last thing is ice. Remember, I like it cold. If you watch my videos, I tell you all the time, I like my smoothies cold. Girlfriend likes it room temperature. It's all preference. Do what is good for you. I do recommend getting a good blender. A regular blender will do. This blender is higher in horsepower. It's an emulsifier. It will make your smoothie smooth after blending it for about a minute or two. Man, I mean, that's it. We're going to blend this up. Stick around so you can see me taste it. I have a feeling this is a good one. Alright. We'll let that settle for a second. So I said I had maybe a little story when I was shaking up something, or well, earlier before the video I had a paste made. And a paste, yes, a paste, to add into smoothies. Well, it's kind of, the sediment settled at the bottom, and all I had to do was stir it up. That's all I had to do, stir it up. Feeling good though, you know, I'm feeling good doing the Let It Go diet. I had it in my hands, shook it, the lid flew off. Oh my land, what a mess. What a mess. What a mess. So I always like to say, keep your lids on. Whatever it is. Stir, don't shake, stir. Alright, let's give the Tireless Smoothie a good old tasting. Okay, it's a deep purple. Let's bring that close so you can see it. For the taste, Tireless Smoothie, day 10, smoothie 2, one more smoothie to go for the day. Keep doing what you're doing. Man, that's a good one. That banana really just complements everything else in there. Let It Go diet. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Stay healthy. You can do this. Be your best you. I know you are. Until next time, peace.